Today we come to you from the exclusive O'Brien's estate, a premium sought after pocket located just on the outskirts of Hurstville. Ken and Diane have lived here for over 25 years, and it's not difficult to see why. A beautiful character home with classic period features and sitting on over 900 square metres of private level land. Although it's difficult for them to say goodbye to their much loved family home, they're excited about the next chapter of their life, but more importantly finding a family to love the home just as much as they have. Welcome to 12 Neirbo Avenue here in Hurstville.